First of all, I would like to thank you all. So today we are showing a practical picture of how we make a compost in the camp. This was a video from 27 July 25. We first collected banana tree from our place to give the rings. We also pour the dung purchased from outside into the ring. Then we mix the dung well and then add sufficient water. It is worth mention that we use about 7 bags of dungs per ring. These dungs can weigh approximately 2010 kg. We use banana trees and medicine carton used by the clinic to make this vermicompost. Then we collected the earthworm that are in our other ring and put approximately 100 to 200 earthworms in the new ring. At first we got about 50 kg of vermicompost from the ring where you saw the harvesting and processing. We did not get the full amount of vermicompost from that ring because some parts of the lower part of the ring were wet. So we replaced that wet part in another ring. According to our report, it is possible to get about 200 to 250 kg of vermicompost from the ring. From that ring, we are providing this collected vermicompost to other office, to our office study plot, garden, and even to the farmers in the camp who need it. Thank you very much. চতুর্দরে দেখান চতুর্দরে দেখান ঠিক আছে।